Best Monitor Stand Riser Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular monitor stands in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this monitor stand riser so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Huano Monitor Stand Riser. There are 3 height levels you can choose from, so you can find the most comfortable viewing angle for yourself. It's really easy to assemble. There are no tools required and you can set it up in under a minute. This monitor stand is made from high quality coated steel for extended durability, and the perforated mesh hole design helps with better ventilation to keep your monitor cool. This sturdy riser holds up to 44 pounds in weight, and the non-slip anti-skid legs keeps your monitor firmly in place while protecting your desk from damage or scratches. To check out the full specs of the Huano Monitor Stand Riser and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/monitorstand. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to set it up and use it right away. So there you have it, the Huano Monitor Stand Riser. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this monitor stand is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Huano Monitor Stand Riser and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/monitorstand. Alright, thank you for watching.